This year, anything called water, stay away from it. Adebia ensue, beach, pool, stay away from it. Last 2 years, business me say bagana na dey nyanya buy no. Last year no, na a few we ensue na kofa demons bear 20. This year, anything like water, stay away. Very dangerous. Very dangerous. I saw lives. It was taking away lives like water. And when we say a krobi say in Ghana, in should be tower na formunina. But ene nyamin so man we used to do. The water, this one I was in the room. Na me say me say me dance na family. Me say hey. Na say me demo. First I say me da you feel water around you. Na from say adan na me say in so be fanipa. Fanipa catch me mind. Should be fanipa. Na me who say demon ni tip say me share na what you say no coy. No say my son so back. Massive water sweep off an entire town, displacing people, displacing them all over the place. Hey, be careful of anything water, beach, rivers, even if you stay close to water. What's in your cry? Be careful. If you know what you're careful. Tell people when you go, please tell them those who are staying by water, they better move from the house. What's if you know any issue and what current new house, but my catch them because it's very serious. The Volta region will not have a good year. We are praying for them. Terrible cases from there. Water, other things, many things. In this year, Volta of Ghana, Munhu Anuye, Yame NG Volta region.
The intense downpour reportedly began around 3:30 Saturday afternoon and lasted about 4 hours in the whole municipality. The intensity of the rainstorm led to the ground becoming so saturated that it could no longer absorb water. Many homes and businesses were inundated. Some of the affected areas include Ho Bankoi, Ho Polyclinic, SDA, Powerhouse and Medical Village.
The Volta region will not have a good year. We are praying for them. Terrible cases from there. Water, other things.
The flood is taking place here in the Volta region. North district. This is the Volta part of Ghana. This is the Volta part of Ghana. Yeah, the Volta part of Ghana. North Town. The flood has, they have opened the dam from Burkina Faso down to Akosombo, and the flood is taking place here in the city or in the town. And this is serious thing that is going, serious thing that is happening. You can see the people are packing their things, people are packing their things from their room. Rooms start collapsing. These are serious things that is happening here in Nepal. We are calling on the government to come through for this situation to rescue our people. Yeah, the flood here is so big. You can see the houses have been married by the water. We are calling on the government to come for our rescue because it's not easy here. It's not easy. We are calling on the government because this is a serious thing. The river has overflowed to the extent that...
Be careful of anything water, beach, rivers, even if you stay close to water. What's in your cry? Be careful. If you know you're careful. Tell people when you go, please tell them those who are staying by water, they better move from the house. What's if you know any issue and what current new house? But my catch them because it's very serious.
Houses are being collapsing. People are packing their things all over now. They don't know where to rush to now, but we are trusting God that
Oh God, we need help. Look at our houses. Look at people's house. Eh?
And when we say a crop, say in Ghana, in shouldn't be tower now, famuna. But Yamin so many we used to do. The water, this one I was in the room. And I mean, say, Mesa, me dance you now, family. Hey, now I said, me demo. First, I said, you feel water around you. Now, from say, I don't say, in so be funny pa. Funny pa, catch me mind.
God, help us. We need help, oh, we need help. Eh? Oh, me to me kwela. Me kwale shi traffic wa. Me kwale shi chomi o detua. Awe ho anave me nulo. Me zu homeless. Yesu. Vemienu pa mepe. Aw.
This is the Mepe Aflao or Sogankope Road. Currently, as I speak to you, commuters are in distress as they cannot move from Mepe to Sogankope or Aflao. As I speak to you right now, the flood waters, as a result of the spillage, has taken over the main road.
Some residents of Mepe and Bato in the Volta region spent the night on bare cold floors without electricity due to the flooding caused by the spillage of excess water from the Akosombo Dam by the Volta River Authority. Now, many have had to move to higher grounds to share homes with friends and loved ones in other communities beyond the unbearable nature of displacements caused by the floods.
Today on the City Newsroom, we are at Mepe in the Northern District of the Volta region. We're trying to assess the impacts of this spillage from the Akosombo Dam on the people of this community and other communities here. What you see here are residents who are stuck on this roof with nowhere to go, no options rather than to seek shelter on the roof. I'll try and have a conversation.
The Volta region will not have a good year. We are praying for them. Terrible cases from there. Water, other things, many things.